equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson SV12 may experience motor failure, which can manifest as reduced suction power or unusual noises. This issue often arises from wear and tear or blockages within the motor. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage and costly repairs. To tackle this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth to keep the components clean. Begin by safely opening the device, ensuring you disconnect it from the power source. Carefully remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum, taking note of their types as you go. Once opened, locate the motor, which is typically situated near the top of the unit. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the motor, being cautious not to damage surrounding components. Remove the failing motor by unscrewing it from its housing, applying a moderate force to loosen it. When replacing it, ensure the new motor is securely fitted and reconnect all cables, making sure they are firmly in place. As you reassemble the device, double-check that no screws are left over and that everything is aligned correctly. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. Keeping your vacuum well maintained will extend its lifespan and ensure optimal performance. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.